take off this step pad right here. Basically, you turn it over. And you'll locate these little, this portion right here, just push it in. Then right underneath right here is another piece that's holding it. So you basically push it forward. So actually I got ahead of myself here. I forgot to tell you on this wire right here is held on by these little clips right here. So basically to remove these clips along the bottom of the step pad, I'll demonstrate it on this one right here. Basically you get a pliers, something to wedge in the middle, and then just pry up and it comes right off. So since we got ahead of ourselves, go ahead and take these off first on the lower sills. Like that, and then you can take this off. Now we're gonna take off the sensors. Alright, so we're gonna take off the rear sensors. Basically on each side of the bumper, you're gonna see this little box right here. And it's gonna be held on by 3 7mm screws. You're gonna start off on the top. Right in the middle right here. So use an extension right in the middle right here. It's going to be another screw. There's another one of these clips. When you get to the sensor portion of it, you come right inside. I'll show you guys. So there's going to be this clip right here that you need to push to the side, just like that. Then you're going to pull this up. And that should remove the sensor itself. So again, I'll demonstrate right here again. Basically, you get your 2 thumb fingers and push it to the side. And then pull up, come right off. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the other module on the other side of the bumper. So you're just gonna get a regular drill and drill this hole out. that. And this piece comes right off. Alright, so you're gonna drill this out also? Right out. Alright, so we're gonna take off this clip right here. Like that. Take the clip on the other side off. And then these clips down here. Now we're gonna install that piece that we drilled out on the bottom. Alright, so to install this part that we drilled out, you can help tool on the Pittsburgh hand riveter. So it's like $17.99. So for your do-it-yourselfers, it's a really convenient tool for you. Install this, basically line up these lining pins. So match up the holes. This one's too big. I'm gonna get a smaller one. There you go. Basically, just put in this tool like that. Then press down. Alright, so it's back in place. While we have the rivet tool, we're going to go ahead and put that small piece in here. gotta get a smaller one. Alright, so next up is going to be the step pads. Basically, you insert it in these holes. And you line up these holes. They're all lined up. So once the bottom is all lined up and the top is all lined up, you can go ahead and press down on it. Alright, so that's secure. Now we're gonna go ahead and put back the sensor holes, the sensors on the inside the holes. So make sure this end with the plug is on the end with the other module. So go ahead and plug it back in. And we'll go ahead and plug in the module. Alright, so make sure this end is going to be the driver's side, and then we're going to go ahead and install the driver's side module. Alright, we're going to go ahead and insert the, we're going to go ahead and screw down the module. And remember, the sensors need the rubber gasket around it. Go ahead and push down on it. Make sure it clips into place, and it should be sturdy enough for you to grab on it. Then go ahead and put this clip back in. And make sure it has the rubber gasket around it. This one has the rubber gasket already on it, so we just push it down. And we're going to go ahead and plug this, go ahead and connect this. All right, so all the sensors are connected. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this part. So you just use this clip, push down on it. That's how it gets secured. All right. But if you guys like this video, go and subscribe to us, turn on that push notification, and if you guys need any parts, we sell pre-printed auto body parts at redmotor.com. Thank you.